Hello and welcome back to another Dollar Tree craft tutorial. Today I'm going to be making something to put above my towel hooks in my bathroom. Since we've redone our bathroom, I've always felt like it was very bare above there and just never knew what to place up there. And today, while I was walking through the Dollar Tree, I came across these wall decals, and this is the first time I've seen them in this Dollar Tree. I'm sure they've had these at other ones before, but I've never noticed them, and I pass by like the stencil area all the time. But I thought that these would be really cute to put above the 3 hooks and to put them in these frames. And I just grabbed a piece of poster board to be the backing, and to kind of give another design element, what is this? The decorative nautical rope that they have in the floral section. They have this one, and then also more like a cotton one that you can use as well. But the idea was to glue this on the inside of the frame to bring in like a natural color in the bathroom. So with that said, let's get started in the video. Here's a look at the supplies you'll need for this craft. You'll need a pair of scissors, a pencil to mark your cardboard, and some sort of card or hard plastic to smooth the decals down and get rid of any bubbles. You'll also see a paper cutter here. I ended up not using it and found that the scissors worked just fine and was also pretty quick. I picked up 3 4x6 picture frames, one package of the nautical rope, a package of decals. You can choose any that they have there if you want to go for a different look, and a sheet of white poster board as the backing for the decals. Start by removing the plastic from around the frames. Then remove all the paper and the mat from inside the frames. You'll then use the glass from inside the frame as a template and trace around it with the pencil. And then cut the poster board to size. Once all the poster board is cut, it's time to stick the decals down. There is a shiny side and a more matte side to the poster board. I chose to use the side that had a matte finish, but either will do depending on the look you want. I then simply placed the sticker in the middle of the poster board piece. I didn't press too hard in case I needed to peel it back up and move it, but once I ensured the placement, I just took the plastic card and ran it over the decal to smooth out any bubbles. As I was going to place the last decal, I noticed that my piece of poster board had a spot on it, so I had to recut a piece of clean poster board for my sticker. Now it's time to place the poster board with the decal back in the frame. With these particular frames, you will need to add the mat and the paper back into it behind that poster board because it'll help give them a more secure fit. Other frames may not be like that, but if you choose this particular frame with the mat, you'll need to put the mat back in so the glass doesn't rattle around. Once the frames are put back together, it's time to add the nautical rope. I took the rope and placed it along the inside of the frame and cut it at that point. Initially, I wanted to keep one continuous strand of the nautical rope. However, I found that it left too much of a gap in the corners for my preference, so I just made a strip to go along each side of the frame. Then I took the glue gun and ran a strip of hot glue and pressed the rope into that glue. I continued that same thing around the inside of all the frames. And that's it. It's simple as that, a quick little craft that didn't cost a lot of money or take much time. And here's a look at my bathroom wall before. Super bare, needing some love. And here it is after with our Dollar Tree signs. I think it adds a nice little touch to the top of those towel hooks and ties into the look of the bathroom with my other decor I have in there. This craft came together super quickly. I think all in all it took me around 30 minutes to complete. And then I used command hooks just to stick the frames up above the towel hooks, so if I want to swap it out later I can without damaging the walls.
In addition to it being super quick, it was super inexpensive in comparison to similar looking signs that you buy at like Hobby Lobby or even on Etsy. In total, this whole craft cost me $6.75 to complete. You can also choose to style these up a little differently. Here I have this on a shelf in my bathroom. And then I also chose to show an option of styling with the hand washing one next to the sink. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to be notified when I upload more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and until next time, happy crafting.